In this video, we'll discover about the tools to eliminate distraction. A study conducted at Stanford University showed that those who multitask are less efficient because they are exposed to distraction from irrelevant sources. Eliminating distraction is a gradual practice, but if you want something that will help you get started with eliminating it, some tools could be helpful. Here are some, but the first two tools are used to measure your time. Rescue Time. This app is used to measure the time you spend on other applications and websites. Rescue Time allows you to be time smart and makes you conscious of how you use your time. Time Doctor. This tool is also used to track your time while ensuring that you are productive at work. The reports of the websites and apps you used will be generated by Time Doctor. It will inform you if your valuable time has been spent on a website or app. Tools to block distractions. Freedom. Freedom Tool helps you to block the sites that distract you the most for a specified time. It takes less than 5 minutes to set up and helps you to get years of less procrastination and distraction-free time. Keep Me Out. You are allowed to set a time limit on the app or website that you feel distracts you the most. For example, you can limit your time on Instagram to 20 minutes a day. And you can do that for other apps and websites. Antisocial. This tool is only concerned about the time you spend on social media. You may have been in a situation where you would like to spend some minutes on social media, but before you know what's going on, you had already spent an hour. With Antisocial on your device, it can help you remove that temptation. Stick. This is an anti-procrastination app. It works like this. You set a goal plus the deadline, and then decide what your stake is and who's the recipient. You can use as little as $10 for your stake. The recipient could be a family member, a friend, or a foe. Procrastinate and miss the deadline, and the money goes to someone else. Inbox Pause. Constant messages can distract you. You can use Inbox Pause when you are rushing to meet a deadline, on vacation, trying to get through the email already clogging your inbox, on a date, or any important activity to you. Tomato Timer. This task helps you to work hard on a task and then reminds you to take a break every 20 or 25 minutes. Tomato Timer won't block you from distracting websites, but remind you to take a break. Strict Workflow. This tool is a Chrome extension and helps you to block distracting websites for you to work hard for 25 minutes, bearing in mind that a 5-minute break is on its way. Focus at Will. Focus at Will is different from other distraction elimination tools. Smart people like Ned Hollowell have proven it to work. This is a tool that includes a collection of original music compositions that helps you focus and remove distraction. Sound Shade. Are you considering a trip into nature while you become creative? You can get free sounds of nature from Soundshade. It is described as non-disturbing sound scenes that mask unnecessary noise. Focuswriter. It is a distraction-free word processing app. It helps to sink you deep into your work for as much time as possible. Distractions such as Facebook, Instagram, and other notifications are hidden by Focuswriter while you work on meeting your deadline. It has the feature to track your daily writing time and daily writing goals. Hey Focus. Hey Focus is another option to enable you to reach your writing goals. Just with a click, you can block distracting sites such as Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, and so on. What's more, you can also set a schedule for this app on the go. Of course, more apps can help you eliminate distractions. Given the list above, you can use one to measure the time you've spent on sites, one to block distractions, one for musical accomplishment as you work, and one to write.